Life is what happens when you're busy making other plans. We've all done it. We tell ourselves we'll make the change when the timing is better, when things slow down, when we have more money, when we feel more prepared. But while we're busy waiting for the perfect time, life keeps moving. Days become months, months become years, and sometimes the future we wanted gets replaced by the routine we simply got used to. At some point, you have to ask yourself, am I building the life I actually want, or am I just staying busy with the life I already have? Because your future doesn't change because you think about changing it. It changes when you make a decision to create another source of income, a decision to build something of your own, a decision to stop depending entirely on someone else for your financial future. That's what makes the opportunity with TruPowur different. You can build a business helping residential and commercial customers make smarter decisions about something they already pay for every single month: energy. You don't have to create a new product. You don't have to convince people they need electricity or natural gas. They're already using it. Your opportunity is to help them potentially reduce costs, uncover savings, and make better energy decisions, while you build a business designed to generate commissions and recurring residual income. And the life you've been planning for? Maybe it doesn't have to stay a plan. Maybe it's time to start building it. So if you're ready to reinvent your future, build a 7-figure compounding residual income by helping customers save money on something they already use every day: energy. It's time to stop settling for less and start taking control of your financial destiny. To learn more, visit TruPowerCareer.com and we'll see you on the inside.